Love is a very special energy. Very, very special. When you open up and you start experiencing it, you start feeling it, you start becoming it, it washes away all the judgments. It washes away all the story. It breaks you open directly into the arms of life. And that is exactly what you deep down desiring. You desire to finally give up protecting yourself. Because protecting yourself, although it makes so much sense as a human being, is at the same time, first of all, super stressful, always coupled with fear. And fear is a contracting, brutal energy. What you want is to relax, to be open to trust life, to say, okay, get me. Yeah.